I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. I'm in a better place today. I'm not 100% sure what happened yesterday, but I'm back at it today, so we'll see how the day goes. I've been nauseated for the past week, so I don't know. Then I had the diarrhea Monday night, and then yesterday morning. Today's Wednesday. Listen, I'm also tired, so it's like I keep questioning everything. I'm like, is it back? Oh, wait, or am I just tired? You know what I mean? I keep questioning everything. And I did that yesterday. Because I'm like, oh my gosh, is this the amnesia coming back? But I don't think so. I mean, it's not how it worked yesterday. I was able to know my name. And, my coworker did a memory test before I left. So it's like, I remember blocks of all that stuff. So that's not how the amnesia worked when I had that. But anyway, so here I am, back to work. Thankfully, I work with a great team of medical people, both mental health and or behavioral health and medical health. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, I probably, when I think about it now logically, I probably should have stayed there and drank my electrolytes, but it is what it is, and I did what I did. So anyway, but so I came home and I poured on the electrolytes, and what I did this morning, I probably had, maybe half of this left. So I'm going to make sure, at least for a while, I make sure that whatever's left, maybe I'll fill it up before I go to bed, and then the morning, make sure it's all gone, because I do sip around on it in the middle of the night. I get up to go to the bathroom, and then I take some sips, and no wonder I get up 20 times at night. But anyway, I will say my weight's up this morning. I was laughing. I'm like, I didn't eat bad yesterday, but yesterday morning, I think when I peaked, it was like 179. And no, I think 170. I don't know. Anyway, we'll just say 179. And it was 181 this morning. Like, that's okay. I poured on a lot of electrolytes and a lot of water, so my body was fighting for its life. So anyway, all right. I did make my lunch today, so I'll show you that at lunchtime. I am extremely hungry right now, almost like shaken hungry. I mean, mentally, I feel like I'm fine. I'm going to eat this beef stick. I scanned it in. I just want to let you all know it's an original beef stick. Jack Links. Is it clean? Nope. Do I care? Nope, because I'm like hungry. And it's 8:45. Hey, how you doing? I'm just gradually feeling better, a little less like paranoid. Did I tell y'all when I come in, my computer had been turned off? Well, it does that when it runs an update. But whenever you experience something, your brain kind of goes all kinds of directions. So I came in, my computer was off, and I was like, I wonder if IT and my boss did that because they wanted to test my memory today. So I called my boss and told her. She just kind of chuckled. God love her, my poor boss. I know she's like, this girl, she ain't right. The answer is no, I'm not right. Who's right? Ain't no such thing as being right in this world, Carnflabbit. We're all off in one way or another. At least that's my opinion. I ain't met nobody that was right. Even my own mama, I think she's off in certain ways. So, what did I bring today? I brought the exact same thing as yesterday, and I'll tell you why. So, I buy the little cottage cheeses. But first, I'm going to take a bite, and then I'll tell you. Hold on. One more, hold on. So I buy the cottage cheese that's in those little individual containers. And I'm airing out my car. Sometimes I come in the afternoon and it's like, smells like my breakfast or my brunch, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so I'm wiping off my dashboard. It's awful dusty. So, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, my food. So anyway, my food, so I buy my cottage cheese in the little individual containers, 1 serving. And so I used half of a serving. Well, I had to put the other half in a container. I'm like, well, let's just use that container. And so I just grabbed it whenever it was time to make my thing today. So I'm doing better. Like I said, no issues, not having any gaps. Although I was fine yesterday whenever we talked. I actually went back in. Well, first off, okay, so I have 70 grams of cottage cheese, 70 grams of Rayo's. So in essence, a half serving of cottage cheese, a whole serving of Rayo's, 180 grams of ground beef, and 17 grams of tallow. So yeah, I went back yesterday morning because whenever I started feeling off, what I did do is I've done some research, and when someone's sodium is off, it can cause some, mental haze. And I've even kind of checked my medicines and stuff to see if there's anything new or different. And based on what research I've done, it more than likely could be a combination of this GI virus that's going around. I depleted my stores with the lower GI stuff, and then I didn't drink a lot yesterday. Like I think I drank maybe half of my big thing yesterday. By the time we were done, I didn't drink much I didn't drink any after we talked. And I even remember thinking, wow, I've only gone to the bathroom 3 times. And by now I've probably gone 20 times. And today I've gone 20 times. So anyway, yeah, so that's a thing. So if you're low carb and you're eating very clean, make sure whatever your body calls for in the electrolyte area, make sure you're getting. If your body don't call for electrolytes, don't worry about it. But if your body's like mine, it's like, hey, you're already walking this little tightrope here, and you poop out everything, and you don't add anything back, then girl. So that was what, me and my body. So you do what's best for you and your body, okay? Anyway, so yeah, that I'm doing good, and so yeah, after we met yesterday, when I was in there and I felt off, I was listening to my video. I'm like watching, because I remember just a couple of years ago when I had that amnesia. I remember going back and I watched that video. I'm like, wow, I could tell that I had kind of in that video. But I couldn't tell in yesterday's video. But that's what I know. Things are going good. Yeah, that's all I know. The one thing I do, one of my nurses is mad at me because I went home. She's like, so you were having issues and you drove home and you were by yourself. What if something went wrong? So she kind of gave me a mild lecture, which is great. That's the best thing about having such an amazing team, is that, they care about you. And I said, thanks, Dana. I needed that. She's like, you needed that lecture? I'm like, yeah. So anyway, they're good at lecturing each other. And, when somebody does something that probably isn't the wisest. So probably what I should have done was stay there and start drinking my electrolytes and water. But I just was, I don't know, you just want to go home whenever you don't feel good. But anyway, I'm good today. I'm on it, but I'm worried. I'm like, do I remember everything I've done? So I'm trying to, that kind of has me in that, but I'm not like spiraling, freaked out about it. So anyway, it's a new day and I'm good and I love y'all. Bye. I'm having a conversation with my babies. I am so lucky I've got good babies. Look at that girl way down there. And then look at this wild boy. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. And Sammy went OUT. He's out there. He's on top of the perimeter. He's checking the outside perimeter. It's funny. Each dog is just their own unique personality. And by the way, I now have to make sure I close my trash can lid because Sweet Sammy likes to dig out tissue and tear it up. Anyway, so Sammy's job is to keep his eye on the front. He watches the windows. I just find that very fascinating. He watches the front. He watches the windows. He keeps an eye out on the front. I guess he thinks maybe bad guys are going to come from the front. Oh, my Roomba. And meanwhile, Fatty down there, I'm just teasing, my Baxter boy, that's not very sensitive to his feelings. My Baxter boy, he likes to guard the backyard perimeter. So he has like this path that he takes, and it's like kind of like, worn down, not a lot of grass on his path. So those two are in charge of keeping the house and everything in it safe. Now, little miss, I can tell you one thing. If a bad guy broke in, hang on. If a bad guy broke in here, she'd say, hey, let me show you where Mama's PlayStation is. Do you need a new PlayStation or a used PlayStation? You want a used PlayStation? I bet you could sell it. Oh, and I think Mama's got some good, Mom's got steak in the freezer, so you could have a steak. I think she'd give it all away. She would just say, if you just pet me, just rub my tummy, and I'll tell you all the juicy details of where everything's at. Little stinker girl. Anyway, so supper tonight. This is my method. We're back to tracking, and so what I did was I knew I had 180 grams of my pork steak. So I plugged that in, and I was not happy with the total calories for the day. I wanted more. So I was like, all right, what if I add in 1 egg? So I plugged it in, wasn't enough. It's still like 14 something. So I was like, because I'm looking for around 1,600 right now. So I'm like, all right, okay. So let's try a second egg. And it was like mid 1500s. I don't remember exactly. But then I was like, all right, let's do a third egg. So I did. And I was able to increase my calories and protein if I wanted to by adding eggs. So what I did was, hang on, y'all know I always have to take 2 bites. Just hold your horses. Some people don't like when I chew and talk. I'm trying to be aware of that. A Bass Pro Shop is coming to the Heartland. Oh my goodness. That made it on our local news. I don't know what town. It could be over in Illinois for all I know. Because that's part of our Heartland area. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I cracked all 3 eggs in my skillet and let them cook for about 4 minutes. And they still weren't done. Like the skillet wasn't really hot enough. So at that point, I dropped in my already cooked pork steak. And then I cooked it till that was hot. And then it was good to go. Hey, little lady. How you doing here? Look at that face. Look at that sweet girl face. She's a good girl, guys. Her's a good girl. She doesn't cause no mischief or nothing. Now, I don't know what flavor this is because let's all do it together. This is our ADHD. Because the wonderful things he does. Dooby. Anyway, I don't remember. Because I didn't label them. That's straight up chocolate peanut butter. Oh my gosh, that's good. That's so good. I think I'd almost slap Judy. Sorry, Judy, but I'd give her a little love pat. Well, that's what I know, guys. That's what I had My plan tonight, like I don't know how much water this has in it. Let's see. It's about here. So my plan is I'm going to really try. That's what I did this morning. So I'll fill this up before I go to bed. I told you all that earlier. I'll fill it up before I go to bed. In the morning, I'll try to finish it off and then get on with my day. Because I was just miserable yesterday. I don't want to have to go home from work like that again. I don't know if that was what it was, but either way, all right, I love y'all. But I have one more quest in my game. And I have one more quest. And then I get to play the DLC. I've already played it all like 10 times, but I'm doing it again. So, okay, bye. Don't forget you can push pause if you want to. That is my morning coffee and the meat stick. This is my lunch and my afternoon coffee that I had. Now this is my supper that I ate and then some whipped cream that I'm going to eat later on with the dogs. And that's my total macros for the day. Thanks for watching.